guys, do we like this angle for a haul or no? It's not giving. About mas ako ibutang akong cellphone. What about here? Do we like this angle? Feeling ko mas okay yung lighting dito, no? Let's do a Dapitan Arcade haul. I went to Dapitan Arcade kanina with a goal in mind, and that is to get plants and to get plates and bowls and kung ano pang ceramics. Simulan na lang natin dito sa pinakamabigat na plastic kasi ang dami kong nabili sa stall na to. Got these two bowls. Nagustuhan ko siya because of its color. These are my two favorite colors. And feeling ko perfect to pag nagsiserve ng ulam or soup or if I just want to eat in a bowl. Alam ko this was like 200 pesos or 250 pesos each. Mali rin ako ng printed plates na medyo malalim para perfect if sabaw yung ulam. Hilig talaga ako sa sabaw, guys. So, same lang to sa kanina pero color black lang yung print. Hanapin na yung resibo ko. This was 150 pesos each. Sobrang cute neto. Arte lang. But ito yung lalagyanan ng sandok mo pag nagluluto ka. Very grandma core coded. It's giving summer in Italy. Clear na ako ng dalawang plato because it's butter yellow. This was also 150 pesos each. Bought more bowls and this was 100 pesos each. Sorry, ang haggard ko na. Mili rin ako ng baso. Ito sa friend ko, nagpasabay siya. But this was 100 pesos each. Total ko for 15 pieces of ceramics from that store is 2,100 pesos and for me, not bad na siya. Pumasok na kami sa loob ng Dapitan Arcade and I got more bowls. Pero ito, gagamitin ko siya sa pag-serve ng ulam. Nigang, nilaga, gano'n. Dito ko siya ilalagay and sobrang cute lang niya. It was 250 pesos each. Bumalik ako sa unang store na pinuntahan ko and bumili ako ng mga lalagyanan ng sausawan. Ito sobrang cute kasi parang itlog siya sa gitna. This one din, para lang siyang flower. Super pretty. Ito, 80 pesos isa. Ito, 50 pesos isa. Super happy ako sa purchase na to. If you know me, mahilig talaga ako sa pearl anything. Kaya when I saw these pearl coasters, binili ko na siya. Wholesale niya is 60 pesos, pero pag isa, 80 pesos. So, I bought 6 na lang. And ayan, sobrang ganda lang niya talaga. Lastly, I got more wooden bowls. Di ko din alam bakit, pero feeling ko fantasy. It's giving Nara Smith. I got 2 small ones. This was 100 pesos. And then this medium size, alam ko 150 pesos to. Then guys, I bought a plant. So I bought this plant. Alam ko 800 pesos to or 1,000 pesos. I bought this tall plant. This was 1,800 pesos. And I bought this snake plant and alam ko this was 1,000 pesos. Anyway, ayun lang naman ang aking haul for today.